How to make a realistic plastic effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Object Selection tool from the toolbar. Open the mode list at the top, and select Lasso. Create a loose selection around the bowl to select it. Press Ctrl-J to cut the bowl from its background. Let's name it Fruit Bowl. Now create a new layer. Then go to Edit. And open your Fill window. Under the Contents, select Black. Make sure foreground and background color is white and black. Go to Filter, Render, and Clouds. Let's go back to the filter. And choose the Liquify. Open your Forward Warp tool. Now let's warp these clouds like so. Hit Enter once you're satisfied. To add plastic effect, go back to the Filter menu. And Filter Gallery. Open the Artistic folder. And select Plastic Wrap. I'll make the highlight strength 5. The detail 10. And the smoothness 8. Click on the new effect layer icon at the very bottom. Now open your Sketch folder. And select the Chrome. Make the detail 0. And the smoothness 10. Go to Image, Adjustments. And open your Levels window. Drag the top left slider to the right, and you can also drag the right slider to the left to add contrast. Go to Select. And Color Range. Open the Select list. And choose the highlights. Drag the range slider all the way to 180. And the fuzziness, 40%. With the selection active, click on the mask icon to create a mask. Double-click on this. And rename it, Plastic. Go to Layer. And create Clipping Mask. Change the blending mode of this layer from normal to hard light. Make one copy of it, by pressing Ctrl-J. Name the copy, Highlights. Let's go back to the layer. And create Clipping Mask. And change the blending mode from normal to screen. If you think this is too much, you can reduce these highlights by dragging this opacity slider. And that's it. Thanks for watching.